I'm thinking of plus verb-ing is used to say that you are considering of doing something. Examples: I'm thinking of moving to the big city. I'm thinking of getting my own apartment. I'm thinking of skipping this afternoon's class. I'm thinking of borrowing money from my cousin. I'm thinking of starting an online business. I'm thinking of going on a diet. I'm thinking of throwing a surprise birthday party for our boss. I'm thinking of starting a clothing business. I'm thinking of going back to college. I'm thinking of playing pranks on my friends.